Are you looking for the best hand tools in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best new hand tools that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Hozo Design M-Cube 02 Green Laser Level Combo. Compact, portable, and smartly designed, the Hozo M-Cube 02 is perfect for making quick, accurate alignments for home and hobby projects. Its sharp green cross-line laser makes it easy to hang picture frames, align shelving, position mirrors, or install light fixtures with precision on the first try without the trial and error of a tape measure and bubble level. At just 4.5 inches round, it slips easily into a small tool bag or drawer. Meanwhile, its Bluetooth connectivity adds cutting-edge tech, offering layout previews in real time and saving measurements. While it's powerful enough for some job site tasks, its strength lies in household and design use. Unlike job site grade levels built for construction, the M-Cube prioritizes portability and convenience for everyday needs. We especially like how quickly it helps line up artwork on a wall. This laser level provides a shortcut for getting precise results. Up next in the 4th place is the Craftsman 25-foot compact easy grip tape measure. Few tools are as indispensable as a trusty tape measure, and Craftsman's new easy grip model fits the bill. This 25-foot measuring tape feels solid in hand and features smooth, controlled blade movement that makes measuring easier. Its blade extends up to 13 feet without support, which makes measuring long spans so much simpler when working alone. Fraction markings on both sides of the blade, in alternating colors, make reading measurements easy at a glance. Add in a rubber overmold for comfort and impact resistance, and you have a top-notch, go-to measuring tool for projects of all sizes. The 3rd product on our list is the Leatherman Signal Multitool. Made with the outdoorsman in mind, the Leatherman Signal Multitool combines 19 essential tools in a compact design that's now been in use and beloved for a decade. But its newest iteration debuted a feature that only enhances the tool's durability: a Cerakote finish that resists abrasion, corrosion, and weathering. Field-ready features, such as a ferro rod fire starter, emergency whistle, hammer, and diamond grit sharpener, make it a perfect addict for camping and hiking. The ferro rod starter was surprisingly effective in testing. The one-handed opening knife and the saw blades that come with secure frame locks add to the tool's usefulness. The pliers, wire cutters, and bit driver can cover basic repair needs in a pinch when you don't have access to full-size tools. The Signal shines when portability and preparedness matter most. It's tough as nails and has all the features a camper or hiker might need. Second on our list is the Woodland Tools Super Duty D handle saw. Designed for serious pruning and log cutting work, this pull saw is large and strong enough to handle thick branches easily. Its 18-inch high carbon steel blade is semi-rigid with a slight curve, which helps the teeth maintain contact throughout the stroke for faster, smoother cutting. During testing, it powered through branches up to 12 inches in diameter, an impressive feat for a hand saw, and the D-handle design offered a secure, comfortable grip, even in wet or muddy conditions. We love how smoothly it slices through limbs. This saw is a powerhouse at a bargain price for those who regularly tackle heavy pruning or log cutting and prefer a hand saw to a power saw. Finally, the top product on our list is the Craftsman 20-piece ratcheting combination wrench set. At 20 pieces, this quality ratcheting wrench set from Craftsman offers the coverage you need for a wide range of jobs, whether in the shop, garage, or on the go. It includes both SAE and metric sizes, each with a 12-point box and clear stamped markings for quick identification. They have a fully polished chrome finish for corrosion resistance, unlike some ratcheting wrenches that use a lever to change directions. The Craftsman wrenches switch simply by flipping them over one less step between tightening and loosening. These wrenches boast a 4-degree swing arc for working in tight spaces and a smooth ratcheting action, even under pressure. In addition to this set's exceptional functionality, its folding storage case holds each wrench securely in place and makes it easy to keep the set organized. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.